Hi, my name is Ben Mearns. Welcome to this course, Explore Enhanced Interfaces with Geoserver.
My background in IT and GIS includes web development for clients in research, education, government, healthcare, and commerce. I know the ins and outs of GIS from the developer, manager, educator, and user perspectives. As a developer, I've used Geoserver to develop a campus mapping system for a large university, and as a manager, I've led the maintenance of the data behind that enterprise system. As an educator, I've taught college courses, led workshops, seminars, and lectures, and contributed to published works related to GIS, web development, data science, open software, and open data. I know about user needs because I've consumed GIS for my own work, as well as supporting those that do for theirs. Most recently, I authored a book on open source GIS desktop package QGIS with Pact.
This course is a fast-paced guide to building more complex web applications using Geoserver Web Services, OpenLayers API, PostGIS, and third-party libraries. In this video, we'll go over a complete overview of the course so that you will know what's included. We'll be exploring the capabilities of the OpenLayers API and WMS to provide a print-enabled interactive sitemap with cartographic enhancements. You'll explore the capabilities of the OpenLayers. We'll be adding Geoserver CSS and Common Query Language filtering to your app. Then we'll deploy PostgreSQL with PostGIS to provide spatial data to your app through PostGIS. We'll explore the feature-rich WFS service layer you'll add to your web application, and that will enable feature editing. We'll then go on to build a mobile app using geolocation, Bootstrap, and jQuery for a responsive, mobile-friendly user interface. This video is aimed at those who are familiar with geographic information systems and are knowledgeable about web development and want to learn more about enhanced interfaces. This is a beginner to advanced course.